Using personal online banking for your business can create real problems. Limited payment tools make payroll and invoicing slow and error-prone. Single-user access forces owners to share credentials or duplicate work. Low transaction limits and manual reconciliation waste time and add fees. No accounting integrations mean more spreadsheets and more mistakes. That slows growth, drains time, and increases risk for small businesses. TD Online Banking for Business fixes those pain points with purpose-built tools. Secure multi-user access lets teams work without sharing passwords. Integrated payroll and bulk payments speed cash flow and reduce errors. Accounting integrations automate reconciliation, closing books up to 50% faster. Business-level limits, merchant services, and tailored fee options support growth. Learn more or sign up for TD Online Banking for Business today.